Welcome to Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun, an autograph collection all-inclusive resort. Join me on a brief tour of all the great offerings for groups and conventions. I'm confident that we have the best locations to meet your needs during your next business or leisure trip. Your guests and clients will experience perfect relaxation in one of our 1,005 spacious luxury suites, each featuring a terrace or balcony. Unique details like rain showers in our spa-inspired bathrooms and custom-made dream bed mattresses guarantee an unforgettable stay. All our room categories include breathtaking views of our natural surroundings, pools, or the Caribbean Sea, a sofa bed, 24-hour room service accessible via your in-room screen, a daily replenished coffee kit and minibar, an in-room safe and closed steamer. We also offer rooms for guests with disabilities, subject to availability. World-class restaurants. Each meeting or session deserves to end on a high note. Your clients and guests will be thrilled as they explore a world of flavors through our 12 restaurants, each offering various gastronomic specialties, including a steakhouse with grilled cuts, traditional Indian cuisine, Mexican flavors, Oriental dishes, teppanyaki, Brazilian rodizio, and more. Receiving breakfast at your room door or enjoying a late-night snack is hassle-free with our 24-hour room service, available at no extra cost. In addition to our extensive dining options, you can create custom dinners and private culinary experiences for your event, group, or convention, featuring personalized menus designed to accommodate various dietary preferences and eating regimens. Please note that this banquet service comes with an additional cost. Blue River Convention Center. Are you prepared to host the perfect event? Our salons are the ideal setting to make it truly remarkable. The Blue River Convention Center is comprised of a 13,163 square feet macro room with a capacity of up to 1,300 people in an auditorium-style arrangement. It features a fixed stage with audio-visual accessories included, such as screen, lights, and sound. The main room can be divided into 2 or 3 rooms or smaller spaces to accommodate your specific requirements. With its impressive height of 24.9 feet, it can host grand assemblies and productions that incorporate large elements. A service access from the parking lot directly to the main hall simplifies the entry of any production equipment and helps reduce maneuvering costs. Adjacent to the main hall is a business center with 9 breakout rooms or multi-purpose spaces and an executive room with an oval table, ideal for smaller sessions. If you need a smaller venue within our convention center, we offer a covered Grand Cenote Theater with a height of 21.32 meters and a capacity for 750 people in an auditorium-style assembly. This space can be divided into 2 parts and features a stage platform. The Blue River Convention Center has separate access from the rest of the resort, providing a grand entrance that enhances the ambience of your events and conventions. It's equipped with parking spaces and a parking assistance service. For fitness enthusiasts, there's no excuse to deviate from your workout routine. In our fitness center, you'll have access to top-notch facilities, or if you prefer, you can partake in any of the classes from our Royalton Fit training program, developed and taught by fitness experts. Greet the morning sun with yoga sessions, or relieve stress in one of the functional exercise sessions. All classes, along with the use of our fitness center, are complimentary. And if your guests are in need of absolute relaxation, the Royal Spa has everything to provide them with a profound sense of tranquility. Choose from a diverse menu of treatments and massages, ranging from a soothing experience in our hydrotherapy circuit to an invigorating massage in our salt room. Please note that spa services incur an additional cost. Swimming pools and aquatic areas. One of our guests' favorite moments during convention and incentive trips is the opportunity to relax in our spacious pools. We feature 3 generously sized main pools throughout the resort, along with various water attractions, including a water park with 14 slides, non-motorized water activities, 2 lazy rivers, and a children's water park. The entertainment in these areas is overseen by our Vibe Team staff, who orchestrate the finest events, activities, and parties suitable for all age groups. Our privileged location in front of the second largest coral barrier grants us access to a stunning, gentle wave beach with turquoise seawaters. The extensive beachfront, spanning nearly 500 meters, enables us to host a wide array of recreational events and create versatile settings for any occasion. Splash into fun.